Today I'll be sharing with you my preference settings of Bravia 9. Please bear in mind that this is not a calibration and simply a suggestion of my preference. For calibration, you do need to get a certified calibrator to come to your house. Before we start, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I would like to thank my client Ravi for allowing me to record my preference settings using his Bravia 9 in his home theater. Of course, the first thing you have to do is grab the remote. What a great remote it is. It's clicky, it has direct button for Netflix, Disney+, Amazon Video, YouTube, and also the useless ones for me, Sony Picture Core and Crunchyroll. Once you have the remote in your hand, press home. There, see? There. Then scroll all the way up and then scroll all the way to the right. Then go to settings and open picture settings. Once you get there, press enter again and make sure that the content type is set to video or images. Make sure it's not games or PC. From there, scroll down by one click, press enter, and make sure you are under professional. To brightness, press enter and scroll down all the way down to black level and change it to 48. Set black adjust to low and peak luminance SDR to medium. Now go to color and set the temperature to expert 2. Make sure the live color is off and you're done with the color. Next stop, clarity. Leave sharpness at 50, depending on your viewing distance, and set reality creation to 38. The number seems high, however, most people are watching TV from about 12 feet away, so you won't see any artifacts whatsoever even at 38. From there, go to smooth gradation and set it to low. This is needed because most of you will be watching some kind of streaming. Using the smooth gradation at low will get rid of color banding without having the look of smearing. Next, motion flow. Turn it off and set Cinemotion to high. From there, go to Ambient Optimization Pro. If you're watching the TV in various type of lighting, set it to on. If you only watch it in the dark, then set it to off. Now play something with HDR and also repeat the same process with Dolby Vision. Set the HDR tone mapping to brightness preferred if you're watching the TV in a generally bright area, and use gradation preferred for a more accurate tone mapping when you're watching the TV mostly in the dark. So that's it. That's the end of the tutorial. As promised, you can do all this within less than 5 minutes. Do you still need to calibrate your TV? Yes, it is still highly recommended for you to calibrate your TV. However, you can use these settings as a further enhancement of your TV or as something to tide you over until a professional calibrator show up at your door. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.